11th math student, listen here. Special series, that is exercise 9.4 is not in syllabus. You can leave this exercise for this year. Then you have to do some problems from miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise you will solve some problems except problems those are related to special series you can leave. Okay. So now see question number first. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number first. What is the question? The sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth term is equal to 2 times of mth term. So m plus nth term by the formula number of term is m plus n. A plus n minus 1 into d plus m minus nth term, same formula, a plus m minus 1 n minus 1 into d. So mean in formula you know nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula here you have to put m plus n then m minus n. So there are two types of sum, m plus nth term and m minus nth term. Okay, now simplify a to a and the term containing d you can take common. Within bracket you will have m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1. So this is your m plus nth term and this is your m minus nth term. Adding them, you will get this thing. 2 you can take common and 2 taking common from whole. So within bracket you will have a plus m minus 1 into d and this is what? This is the mth term. Means when you get this and this you will get 2 times of mth term. So this was to be proved. Now question number 3. See here given sum of first n term of the same series. So n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d and it is represented by s1. Then sum of first 2n term. So in place of n you will write 2n in the same formula 2n by 2. 2a plus number of term is 2n. So 2n minus 1 into d is s2. And sum of first 3n term is 3n by 2 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d represented by s3. Then what to do? Here I have to prove the S3 is equal to 3 times of S2 minus S1. So solving right side, so 3 times of S2 and S1 subtracting this and this. So 3 times of this is the S2 and this is X1. Subtracting them, then you can take n by 2 common from both written here. So within bracket you will have 2 to the 4, 2 multiplying here to 4a plus 2 times 2n minus 1 into d minus sign. N by 2 is common factor out of this bracket you have written. So this minus sign 2a and with minus n minus 1 into d sign will change. Okay, now simplify 4a minus 2a, that is 2a. Now from this and this when you take d common, then 2 to the 4 and minus 2 in first and in here you will get sign will change due to this minus to minus n plus 1. Simplify within bracket you will have 3n minus 1 into d and this is what? This is the sum of first 3n term, that is S3. Okay, which is equal to left side. Now see question number 6. So question number 6 is the sum of all 2-digit numbers which and when divisible by 4 yield 1 as remainder. Means you will write the 2-digit number after dividing 4 it leaves 1 as remainder. So first 2-digit number dividing by 4 leave 1 as remainder. 13. Why? Because 4 3 is 12 and leave 1 remainder. So first term is 13, then second in difference of 4, 17, 21 and last is 2-digit number is 97. When you divide 97, what will you get? So 97, 4 to the 8 over 17, 4 4 ja 16, means 1 leaves as remainder after dividing by 4. Now, so this, according to the question, these are 2-digit numbers, dividing by 4 leave 1 as remainder. Okay. So first term A is 13, common difference, second minus first D, that is 4, and last term L is equal to 97. So first here you have to find the number of term n. So by using formula L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 97, A is 13, n minus 1, D is 4, and of solving it you will get n is equal to 22. Now find the sum of the series. So S is equal to, by formula, n by 2, A plus L. So n is 22, 22 by 2, A is 13, L is 97. Solving it you will get 1210. Okay. Now see question number 17. 17 is here given f at x plus y. X and y both are natural number here given. So f at the sum of two natural number is equal to fx into fy, means f at first natural into f at second natural number, that is y. And also given f1, means f at 1 is 3. Okay. Now there is a one relation, summation. This is the symbol for summation. X is equal to 1 to n fx, means adding all the terms from 1 to n. Like f1, value put in place of x1, that is f1 is first term, putting x is equal to 2, second term f2, putting x is equal to 3, third term is f3, means determine all the terms, then adding them. So this whole thing is in short form represented by summation of fx from 1 to n. So by putting x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, last is n, determine all the terms, then adding them, like f1 plus f2 plus s3 plus so on fn. This is the expanded form of the given summation fx, and this total sum is given 120, 120. Okay. Now here you will find the value f1. The value of f1 is given. You can determine f2, f3 and so on. So f2 you can break it into two parts, 1 plus 1, and by the given relation here, x plus y is fx into fy, apply this relation. So when you write f2 is f1 plus 1, one part you can take as x, second as y. So this x plus y, that is fx into fy. So x and y both are equal here, 1 1. So f1 is given 3. 3 into 3, 3 square. Now same thing for f3. To f3 you can break it, 1 plus 2 is 3, and apply this relation. To f1 as you can take as x and 2 as y, to fx into fy. So fx is 3 and f2 you have determined from the above relation, f2 is 3 square. So total result is 3 cube. Similarly, you can determine f4, f5, these values, break it into two parts as x plus y. Now, so therefore your series is f1 plus f2 plus s3 so on, fn is 120, it is here written here. Now putting the value f1 is given 3, f2 you have determined here 3 square, f3 3 cube and so on you can write. And the sum of this series is given 120. Here you have to write number of terms, means how many terms should be added to get this sum. So it is clear from this series 3, 3 square, 3 cube and so on. This is geometric progression. Why? Because first term is a common ratio between two consecutive terms. Second upon first is 3, third upon second is 2. The ratio is same, so this is geometric progression. Apply the formula for GP. Find the sum. To Sn is a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Putting the value, Sn is given 120, a is 3, r power r is here 3, so 3 power n minus 1. So here is, you can write 3 raised to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 means 3 minus 1. Okay. Now simplify it and find the value of m. Already I have sent in your WhatsApp group solution of this question. You can see.